What's up everyone, this is me Zain, welcoming in another video. In this video we will see how we can use AI to convert any of your prompt to the real app. So in this video we will create with using create.xyz, and this is the site you can copy with your clipboard. And this site you can easily give in some prompt and iteration, and you can also use the ChatGPT to enhance the prompt here. And you have seen that I have already made one project, that is a grid app project, and with that project you can simply create grid images which is now on trend easily without any third-party applications. So now let's create a new project and let's see how further it can go. So now I'm clicking on a new project, and you can simply sign up with Google and other sign in options. Now you can see here is the interface, and the left top is the project name. You can see it's on draft mode, but you can also put it on the live mode after the publishing the project. It has some upgrades option like professional option, like it has some limited time you can given the prompt to the website. So make sure you are specific about what you want to build. So for this project I want to create one web-based application which will be using to convert any raw footage like raw video to the ultimately color graded footage. So for that I am so much specific for my first prompt. So I just give like I need web app where people can, where don't include any people and something, just too specific, like where we can color grade raw footage. Okay, basic color correction and HSL options. So you can also mention that which kind of what kind of color grading options you like to add. So I have added HSL, the hue, saturation and luminance, and some basic like saturations. We can use the white balance option and white balance curves. Okay, and also can support the LUT file and file color picker. This is basically a huge app, or it could be a huge project for this web app. I don't know if it can handle it properly or not. So let's see if we have to change the prompt little bit. So let's see if it can handle it or not. So just press simple the send. So it will automatically start compiling with that. You can see it is saying the color grading web app, and now it's on building. So it will compiling the process. You can see the UI is now creating automatically the hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, everything. Like you can also upload the LUT from here, and you can upload the video color grading file from this browse option. So it is saying that it's now finished. Now you can simply try this app, and first I'm giving you some overlook and what are the features what we were going to try. So basically this is the demo, means this is the project preview panel, and you can go to the select the things like you want to change, like you want to change the text from here. You can do that, and for the code you can see the codes are using to that program. Okay, now you can go for the full screen. You can change this layout, okay, like desktop or mobile. Okay, and you can also publish from here like this one. Okay, just go to publish, and you can create your own website app name. Okay, and you can publish it. So now let's try this application if it's working or not. Let's see. So simply I'm gonna add a browse option and gonna upload some footage. So we have this footage like raw file, and gonna upload this one. Okay, So now it shall show in this area, but it is not. I guess it's now uploading. So make sure you are correct it. You have to iterate the prompt. So you can see these are the problems you're going to see. So you have to click on fixes, and with that you can fix the current issues. So as you can see, this is on the beta progress. So after it will completely build successfully, and on launch or production you can easily see many differences. So I recommend you purchase their pro plan, and you can get it like, so not that amount, like it's $19 per a month, like 10K credits like that. But I don't recommend you purchase now, but you can purchase for any production works in the future. So that's how you can easily generate any kind of software, any tools with this help of this application. You can create any of your ideas, any of your things with this, and you can see these are some RGB and wheels. Cars are not showing still. These sliders are working fine, but the thing is, what we can expect, like the changes are not made what this layout. So I will give you the update in next video. If if it can work, then we can also build on any video editing app fully for any online web app. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, you can give a like, and you can follow my other videos over there over this channel. So thank you for watching, and peace.